Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to wrap your text around any shape on Photoshop. Let's get into it. Once you open your Photoshop, let's create a background, and give it an orange color. Select your ellipse tool and draw a circle. Then select your text tool and place your cursor just around the edge of the shape you just drew, and you'll see the cursor change to this kind of semi-spiral icon. Then you click and you start typing out your words. Thank you for watching, and make sure to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video.